Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you accidentally placed a bet on FanDuel, how to dispute. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you accidentally placed a bet on FanDuel, it's important to know that bets typically cannot be cancelled or modified once placed. However, you can still take steps to address the issue. So the first is understand FanDuel's bet cancellation policy. Non-reversible bets. Most sportsbooks, including FanDuel, do not allow users to cancel or modify bets after they are placed. Exception: cash out put option. If the bet qualifies, FanDuel might offer a cash out option, allowing you to settle the bet for a partial refund before the event concludes. Number 2 is to check for cash out option. Open the FanDuel app or website, go to the best slip or active bet section, look for a cash out button next to bet. If available, accept the offer to recover part of your wager. Number 3 is to contact FanDuel support. While FanDuel policy is strict, reaching out to their support team is your best option if you placed bet by mistake. So via app, use the help center or live chat option, or you can send an email by sending it to support@fanduel.com. While FanDuel may not refund or cancel the bet, but reaching out promptly improves your chances. All you can do is now monitor your bet. If FanDuel cannot cancel the bet, you need to wait for a result. You might still win the wager or cash out during the event is offered. Number 5 is avoid future mistakes. Enable bet confirmations. In your settings, enable bet confirmation prompts to double check your wagers before placing them. Review your bets. Always double check your bets slip before hitting the place bet button. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.